Okay guys, this is a huge package from the Sharifah Tangan Tatilia Bekasi. Beautiful number. And this is a sampoo curah oil 1 liter. Shampoo. This is what kind of shampoo you buy in 1 liter. This shampoo. Okay. This is Dove, should be. It's sold out, but I buy these things. This is original shampoo, repack because of damages for the bottle. Let's check it out. Is that right or not? First we find the weakness point, what we call. Okay, we must cut in here. And we pull it out. Ta-da! Oh, the color, you see the color? Empty. The packages is empty. Okay, thank you. Thank you, packages. Okay, this is what we buy. 1 liter shampoo. Enough for the 2 years of your hair. Man hair, not woman. Wait a minute, let me think how to open this. Okay, the easy way to open is not to open it, but cut it. Yeah. Ta-da! This is anti-spill resistance. Good. This is a shampoo, 1 liter. This should be Dove. I will open this. This is still on seal. Yeah. Wow. That's right. That's Dove. Look at the sparkling. The smell. Like my car. This is shampoo or perfume. This is the sparkling. It's original, I think. And so thick, not mixed with water. Perfect. This is it. The shampoo 1 liter. Thank you for watching.